Friends, so today we are going to design these exercises. So exercise number 3, we are going to design this exercise according to the dimensions. So after we extrude it up to 40 millimeter and we get these shapes. Okay, press start, choose new part. Okay, front plane, a sketch. Okay, start by drawing line from origin, sketch line. See, start from origin. Okay, 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 okay. Sketch by using line. Okay, okay, see, okay, this is okay, 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 you see. Then assign dimension, give this side 30 millimeter. Okay, give this length 80, 85, 85. Okay, assign this angle 60. Okay, 60 degrees. Okay, assign this angle also 60 degrees. Okay, give this side 15, give this side 15. Okay, give this length 85. Okay, give this side also 15. Okay, you see this is good. So give this angle 30. This angle gives 30. Okay, it's also 30. Okay, give this length 16. Okay, you see this is 30, this length 30, and give this length 85. See, 85. Okay, this is okay. This 85. Okay, give this length 100 millimeter. Okay, give this also 100 millimeter. Okay, you see, give this up angle 135 degrees respectively for this. Okay, 145 35 degrees, 155 degrees. Okay, you see, give this lens 60 millimeter, give this 60 millimeter. Okay, give this also 60 millimeter. Okay, you see, give this lens 50 millimeter. Okay, give this lens also 60 millimeter. Okay, so give this 30 millimeter lens, give it 30 millimeter. Okay, so friends, you see my sketch is now fully defined. You see, this is fully defined. Okay, so then we are going to extrude it up to 40, thickness of 40, it becomes like this. Okay, so go to Solidworks, features, extrude both base, extrude up to 40 millimeter. Okay, so friends, you see, this is how to design different parts by using Solidworks software. You can assign dimensions, choose what plane you can assign appearance, select this one, appearance, then go to this one, you can assign appearance what. So friends, okay friends, this is how to design different parts by using Solidworks software. I hope you have enjoyed the videos. Isometric. So this is how to design different parts by using Solidworks. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos. Friends, thank you.